I don't know where to go. This is where my father is buried. I buried my father at the age of 120 something.
Collect 5 million. If I don't pay 3 months inside.
Is soft drink illegal? I be the food that I'm selling is illegal. I have 27 bags of rice.
For people we get business, and even people where they live for Durumi III inside Abuja, this and plenty more, now be the stories of how they scatter their means of survive and investments overnight. The demolition exercise will happen of recent inside the community don't cause plenty people for that side to begin count wetin they lose, and they ask for answers to questions of wetin cause this demolition to happen.
It's the demolition that bring everything down. And my wife also was making POS here. And in the process of this demolition, we lost so much money.
Some of the things again, Babambola, when they did demolish, Babambola will come around. As they are coming out, when they are helping you keeping in something, they are stealing your thing.
The 2 fridges that are bought here, 2 deep freezers, it contains 360,000. That's getting to 1.3 or 1.4. Apart from the soft drink, apart from the beans, rice, I have 27 bags of rice.
I rent the place 200,000. Now you see, as you can see those car park, I'll do each one of it 1.5 million. This is car park. See the other one down there with container. See the way they damage that container. That container, I arranged it about 450 with some things where I put inside. Even I put a snorkel, then foreign snorkel, 2 snorkel, then spoil it. It's not more there again. Both the speakers all damaged.
Then tell CHRICED TV say the demolition happened on a Sunday morning when plenty people been there church.
They have come here, put their machines for work, even come to the chief palace to deceive him that they have given a contract to come and repair our road. All of a sudden, on Sunday, they call us while we are still on our bed to come that they are demolishing our places. Going to ask them, they were throwing tear gas, even shooting bullets. Thank God for the woman that came to save us.
We might not even come market on Sunday, na resting day. So we there for church, then come they call us say, then they demolish our place, so now so we leave church come. Even before we come safe, neighbors don't help us break our shop, help us they pack things come out. The one way then fee pack because see our shop, see the motor here.
On Sunday morning when the demolition take off, I was not here. I wake up, I went out on like 6:30 in the morning. So reaching 8 o'clock, I received a call that they are demolishing a place here, which where I was, I cannot come back.
On Sunday morning, my neighbor called me that they are doing demolition. That is across the routes that we should come out to. She don't know, or maybe they are going to demolish the whole Durumi. I said, even if they are going to demolish the whole Durumi, they will give notice to people before demolition. So we told her that no, I don't think so. It will come to pass, but I'm preparing to go to church.
According to community members, the demolition affects about 33 shops with millions of naira in losses.
The shops that were demolished here, they were up to 35.
People for the area still claim, say, them being just here, say what the work or do, now to clear the area of where criminals them they hide. But now, community members, they insist, say that area don't even get security problem.
We made the person in charge of those police. He said he's the one that's in charge. Okay, what happened? He said they were asked to come and guide. Guide what? Said there's going to be some demolitions here, but they don't know actually what particular place that they are going to demolish. But they will start with the shanties that they were told that there are black spots here and they are going to start with them. I said, black spot, how? have they ever come to this place for arrest? To arrest criminals here? They are saying they are asked to come and clear the black spot.
Waiting I experience here as a security man, me, I don't see any black spot here because everything happening here, it was shop that everyone sell in the morning and close in the night and go home. So we don't have anything here. Like if we have any information, look at the Magaza division here, we are always together. If we have any issue, we call them. So we don't have any challenge of securities here.
We have the vigilante, that's the VGN. We have the Hunters Association of Nigeria here. All we have their offices here. They reside here. And so this village you see, we are covered by the vigilantes. Every night they do go out for patrols. And we are supposed to even go and report the security threat. Not some people coming out from somewhere to say we have security issue because we have never had one.
The village head of Durumi III squeeze face for wetin happen so, control accusation, say the demolition team come with pretend of say they want to repair road before the demolition, and now wetin cause people for that area to also fight them.
I was in my palace. There some people come, 2 of them. Say they bring machine to Amak, say they want grave this our road. So after that, I find them security. So tomorrow, that day, they said tomorrow they can come back and start the work. After on, that very Saturday, they no come back. On Sunday, I'm prepared to go church. I'm hearing they call me say, see police people with soldier, many of them, they came there. I go meet engineer. I said, engineer, what is going on? That engineer, you don't want to listen to me. I follow him, bomber to bomber, with my people. When I follow him, I said, engineer, tell me true. Even though you want to come demolition, where they quick notice, all they give us, that's not quick notice, nothing.
When CHRICED TV bin go the area, we see officials from Federal Capital Development Authority (FCDA) for there. Then come assess the area where the demolition affects. Even though the FCDA people no gree follow us talk, community members say the yarnings where they yarn for that visit show say even the agency no directly give order for the demolition to happen. FCT Police Command also deny any direct hand inside this matter. We follow police talk person Josephine Ade take yarn, and she say police officers wey go there, they only go to give security during the operation. Now the big question, who can give the order? This one no be the first time where Durumi III they face demolition threats. Community leaders say quarrel for who get land, pressure for development, don't they go on tete for that area more than 20 years.
The only people that came in was resettlement and compensation. When they came, it was one house. The house that was there, we told them that, thank God, you are the resettlement and compensation. Since you have come in, that is what we are even waiting for, so that maybe we will receive our keys for resettlement. When they came in, we walk around with them. The whole village was it was engulfed by the plot. The plot was 466. Then we told them that how are we going? That was during RFI administration.
Apart from houses and businesses, people where they live there, they fear say this confusion will even affect education inside their community. The only primary school for Durumi III also join inside the confusion and gbasgbos where they go on now, as then they drag who get the land abi who no get the land. Our team notice some of their people, they do activities for the site
Where we are putting our primary school has been allocated to another person, and now the primary school is no longer safe. The education of our children is questionable, because they will very soon they will no longer have place to go to school.
To reduce overcrowding and the pressure on top the scatter school building, the sitting Amak Chamu come build new structure. But many years after they finish that building, they never officially hand the school over to the authorities.
My call is you should come to our aid and help us hand over the classroom for us, because we seriously need it.
CHRICED TV still discover say both the old and the new school building they fit demolition sake of competition of who get the land. As developer, they claim land, arguing say the school fall inside the new road layout. Traditional institutions now, they say they need to sit down, talk to the right people, do proper consultation, compensation, resettlement before any development wey go affect them, wey be the local original owner of the place, where they call indigenous communities, go happen.
That is why we are still interfacing. If it's only for the security reason to remove the shanties, to remove the mess chiefs and others, fine, we identify them and remove them. But if it's for purpose of taking possession of land allocated and where there is indigenous people, we have to sit down, they have to follow the due process. And the due process that if it is an indigenous community, they have to be paid compensation and resettled. Then the allotee can take possession of the land.
All of this palaver they happen months after Oga Minister for FCT Wike been promised to give Certificates of Occupancy, whether they call CofO, to the indigenous people, local people, will get those ancestral land. Community leaders say they still they wait to see that promise stop to be word of mouth and become something where they go see for action.
Just to tell the minister, since you have promised, please just fulfill your promise, even by pronouncing that I have issued every community a CofO. I think every developer that has a plot in a community will automatically stop, and there will be no disturbance again.
But Dr. Lazarus, they argue, say Oga Minister not fit give CofO to indigenous communities if he no first settle the matter or collect back the one where they already give developer for those areas.
A lot of layout are being made on top of existing communities, and we have been calling on the authorities to revoke or to cancel all those allocations that are laid on the existing indigenous communities, because until that is done, we will continue to face this type of. And if the minister says he's giving us a CofO, then if people are coming to demolish those houses, so which CofO are we going to get again?
As the people of Durumi III, they continue to find, may they clear the matter for them, may they calm them, give them answer for who ordered the demolition. After every side they talk, say no be them. Questions still dey on top who get the land. Wetin be the due process and wetin be the future of one of Abuja indigenous communities? Right now, the people of Durumi III say then they hope for answers and lasting solution to this demolition palaver wey don dey affect them tey.